Hi there, it's Grant here. In today's video, I want to discuss and show you the hottest Clickbank offers of this week that I'm seeing. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing or you're looking for a new affiliate marketing offer to promote, I'm going to give you my views of the best offers to promote at the moment. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not like the video, as it really helps reach more people. Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? So let's get on with the video. So I am just in the Clickbank marketplace. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't have a Clickbank account, it's really easy to sign up to one. Takes about 5-10 minutes. But if you do have a Clickbank account and you've got no idea what to promote, I'm going to show you. So I'm in the top offers section at the moment because this is probably the best place to look to see what's really doing well. And let me just show you the offers that I think affiliates should be promoting or considering promoting. So the first one that I see that's doing really well is Nagano Fat Burning Tonic. Now, weight loss supplements and tonics do really well. They're pretty much the best performing offers on Clickbank. And with Christmas and the New Year coming up now, between now and I would say May is probably the best time to start promoting these weight loss offers. But at the moment, Nagano is doing really well. And crucially, the gravity score, which is basically a guide, gives you a guide on the number of unique affiliates basically making sales with this product. What you want to see is the gravity score increasing, which it is, which shows an offer that's getting stronger and stronger. So this is one of the best performing offers at the moment. Let's just have a look. It's a weight loss offer, and yeah, it's beginning to take off, I think. So I've been watching it for a while. It's slowly been rising up the ranks, and yeah, it's basically exploding, and it's about to take off. It's got a really sort of unique angle. It's got like the Chinese angle, Eastern Elixir, that targets stomach and belly fat quickly and easily. So yeah, this is one offer you should definitely promote or consider promoting. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a link, which is going to be down in the description, to a landing page that you can use to promote these offers. It's a quiz landing page, but I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video. So if you want to download this landing page and use it for yourself so you can increase your sales or generate sales, wait to the end of the video to watch that. Now, the next offer that's doing really well is the Genius Wave. This offer it's got the highest gravity score at the moment, and it is basically crushing it. Its gravity score's holding steady. It's been hovering around sort of 400 and sort of 470, so it's holding, which is good. A lot of affiliates are promoting this, and this is another offer that's doing really well. By the way, it's paying out an average commission of $47. So I didn't show you, but Nagano, it's got an average commission of $141.44 per sale. But Genius Wave is another offer that we consider. It's got a very unique angle. It's basically a product to increase your intelligence. Yeah, and it's absolutely crushing it at the moment. Genius Wave, so it's an audio program. So basically all you need to do is listen to it for 10 minutes a day. And basically you increase your intelligence. So naturally, this offer is absolutely crushing it at the moment. So it's another one I would consider promoting. Java Burn's been probably the top offer on Clickbank now for 6 months, but it is dying, so I probably wouldn't bother promoting that. It's dying a death. So yeah. Now, the next one I would promote is Prostaviv. It's a prostate offer. Been watching it closely, and the gravity score is now rising. This is for men only. It's a prostate offer, so it targets people who have got enlarged prostates. This is such a powerful area for health market, because obviously a lot of guys, but especially over sort of say 45 and 50, they're starting to get prostate problems, which is obviously very difficult and painful problem for men in many ways. So yeah, this is gonna crush it. This is starting to crush it. So yeah, and yeah, this offer is gonna kill it. And obviously it's targeting, whilst obviously weight loss offers perform really well, this offer, it's sort of targeting men who have actually got very uncomfortable, potentially painful and serious problems. So yeah, this is going to convert really well if you get everything dialed in. So this is another offer I would consider promoting at the moment. Now, these are basically the 3 offers that I see are doing really well at the moment. And these are the main ones I would consider. I mean, obviously there's a ton more you can go down. Oh, another one that I really like at the moment is actually Nitric Boost. I'm actually promoting this at the moment myself with Facebook ads. It's got an average commission of $133.57. This is another one I would do. This is basically targeting men who have got erectile dysfunction. Obviously, targeting men, but obviously it targets a really embarrassing and problem for men. Obviously, if they can't perform, yeah, it just blows their confidence. These offers all perform well, so this is another one I would seriously consider promoting. So those are my 4 favorite offers of the week. In terms of landing pages, this is a landing page I use. It's a quiz funnel. Quiz funnels are very powerful. It's a simple quiz that basically leads them to either the VSL for the offer or the product page. But the good thing about quizzes is that you can pre-qualify people for the offer and basically warm people up so they're more likely to purchase the offer. So let me just guide you through the funnel. This is actually for Nitric Boost, an offer I'm promoting, but you can adjust it for any of the offers I've shown you. So I've just pulled this headline pretty much out. The VSL, discovery for manhood molecules killing your performance in the bedroom. So someone comes to page, yeah, I'm a man over 45. I rarely get erections. Yes, I'm struggling in the bedroom. Yes, show me now. Yeah, I will be interested to buy the product. Yeah, I can invest. And yeah, it takes them to the VSL. So they just click on this and it takes them to VSL. And the beautiful thing is that they've pre-qualified themselves to watch this video and basically buy the product. So yeah, if you want to download and use this quiz funnel for yourself, all you need is a ClickFunnels account. You can get a free ClickFunnels account and just use it for 40 days. All you do is click the link I'll put in the description below and it'll automatically upload to your ClickFunnels account. And all you need to do then is just basically adjust the questions or and the copy on the page to the offer that you are promoting. I would probably promote the offer with the VSL first because it just converts and the people you be promoting to won't be aware of the offer. So I would do the VSL. And yeah, just upload it to your ClickFunnels account and yeah, this funnel will automatically upload. All you need to do there is just purchase a domain from GoDaddy, add it to your ClickFunnels account, add it to the landing page, and you are good to promote it. In terms of promoting the landing page, I would use Facebook ads because you can reach anyone on there. But also another thing you can do is you could do product reviews. Start a YouTube channel, do product reviews, review the products and rank them for the product name. That's another way you can go. So if you want the landing page, link to the landing page in the description. All you need to do is sign up for ClickFunnels. I'll leave a link so you can sign up to ClickFunnels down in the description below as well. So sign up for ClickFunnels. Once you've got your ClickFunnels account, then you can download this quiz funnel and upload it to your ClickFunnels account and you can start promoting it right away, and either start using Facebook ads to promote or YouTube. Also, I'm just about to very soon going to be launching a one-on-one coaching program where we work together. It's going to be 5 1-hour sessions where we work one-to-one, and I'll do a lot of the work for you to help you launch your first affiliate marketing campaign using Facebook ads. Now, if you're interested in potentially working with me one-on-one, I haven't got a sales page or anything set up yet for the coaching program, but if you want to register your interest, about my coaching program, I'll leave a link to a Google form in the below in the description. All you need to do is fill in the Google form with your details, send the form in, and when the coaching program is live, I'll be in touch with you. See if you want to join the coaching program. Again, it's going to be 5 1-hour calls where we work together to help you choose an offer and sort your landing page, and then launch an offer using Facebook ads. So if you're interested in that, just fill in the Google form below with your interest. So I've got your details, and when it's ready to go, I will drop you an email, so you can join if that's what you want to do. Also, if you got value with this video, I do accept donations, so I don't expect anything. But if you got real value from this video, if you want to send me a donation, any amount, you can be $1 up to whatever amount you want, but I don't expect anything. But if you do and you got value from it, I'll leave a link to my PayPal donation link below as well. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. If you found the video useful, like one, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.